Long inhale and long exhale. Let me know in comments, how are you doing today, guys? How's your day going? And let's stretch our neck. Good. Keep going. And we are going to do exercise with our toes. Open, close, open, up, close, open, close. Good job. Amazing. Let's catch our left leg and bring it closer. And changing. Changing. Good job. Next exercise, we are going to stretch our legs. Actually, guys, let's stretch our feet. Right?